Hello everyone, my name is Nora and I am a veterinarian doctor from Latvia. Since I remember myself, I have always been stuttering since my childhood. It was worse when I started to go to school, but when the years passed, I learned how to get through the school and also a veterinarian school. But the real problem started when I started to work as a veterinarian, and when I started to work as a veterinarian, and when I should to speak with my clients in English or Russian, and those two isn't my first languages. So I lost the one job because of my stuttering and problems with my speech. So after that I decided I have to change it. I have to do something about it. So I started to search in the web and I found a Pro90D system and Michael Williams. And the reason I chose to work with Michael is because he wasn't saying that you can get rid of stuttering in few days, something magically. But you have to work hard. You have to really do the job to become an excellent speaker, not just get rid of the stuttering. And so this was the one reason I chose the Pro90D, but also that it was science-based and it is important for me as a doctor. And at the start, when I started to work with Michael, when we spoke the first time, I wasn't able to say even one sentence in English without stuttering. It was so bad, and I felt so embarrassed, and it was so hard. But I kept up the work. I was working very hard, and weeks passed. So after the 1 month, so after the 1 month, I was able to see the results. Because I was able to say more and more and more, and right now I am able to say so much more and so much smoother than I have ever imagined, actually. And I am feeling so happy about it. I'm so glad that I chose the Pro90D program and decided to work with Michael Williams. So thank you, Michael. I am so thankful for you about it. And right now I am feeling so much more confident than I ever did. And I am not so afraid anymore to speak with the people in English, because before this program I was so afraid. I felt so stressed and so tense, and it was so awful. So yeah, but I was following to Mr. Michael for more than a year, actually, before I started this program. And the main thing that held me back to start this program was a fear, because I was so afraid of that, so afraid of the thing that I had to speak with the stranger in the English. This was so scary for me actually, but I get all my strength, all my strength. All my strength and decided to do it, and I'm so happy about it. So don't let the fear stand in your way, because this fear will hold you back. This will stop you from doing the things that you wanted to do, the traveling, the better job opportunities, and the other things. So yeah, don't be afraid. This is the this is the most important thing that I want to say to you. Don't be afraid. Okay. Thank you for listening, and bye. See you.